share my screen. All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right. Okay, so as you can see, this week number 2 is now officially published, so you can check this one now. All right, so everything is still the same. You know, we have the overview, you have the modules right here, you have the watch videos, you have the practice exercises, and then you have new activities, of course, which is the lab number 4, and then the quiz number 3, and then another case study. Okay, so what should I add in here? Well, everything is well explained, I guess. It's just that, okay, let me just re-explain this one. So under lab number 4, all of the instructions are already in here, so you don't or you won't be having any problem. Just skip to one. Okay, this letter H, and everything will be the same. Just accept the letter H. Okay, because this one is for face-to-face teaching. Okay, so just skip this letter H instruction. And then here is the sample, okay, that you guys need to follow. So all you do is copy as it is, okay, whatever you have in here. So just type, okay, that word and then the exact format. Okay, so all of the format is already in here. So let's say, for example, this one, we have a drop cap, we have a 2-column format, we have Arial, okay, and then size 10. We have, let's see, the title is a font, a font style of Britannic, and it's in bold, and then font size is 20, and then the background color is maroon. Okay, ah, my bad. The font color is maroon, and the effect, the background is the marble fill effects. Okay, and many more. Okay, so all you do is follow all of those instructions. Okay, and we have here a portrait format, and then here is a another type of format, which is in landscape. So I need you guys to have a one file only, one Microsoft file. So do not separate those two. Okay, so they are combined in one Microsoft Word file. Okay, so one portrait and then one landscape. Okay, so if you cannot get this one, if you can't find this one on the internet, so you can just simply use your snipping tool. Again, you can just type here the snipping tool, click that one, and then click new, and then you can crop that specific picture. And then you can now save this one as a JPEG, or you can just simply copy this one and then paste this one to your Microsoft Word. Okay. So yeah, that's only it for lab number 4. And what else? So for lab number 3, I guess this one is also well explained. Okay, so all of the instructions are already in here. Again, except for the letter I. So just skip this one where you need to save this one under Drive Z. So you don't have, well, I don't know if you have Drive Z, but I do not save this one to your Drive Z. Okay, you can save this one to any storage that you want to save it to your computer. Okay, so yeah, I just want to remind everybody that you should take your own screenshot. Okay, do not get this one because as you guys can see, this one is the old Microsoft Word, and then the operating system that has been used in here is still Windows XP. Okay, so this one is super old. So I'm pretty sure that the lowest operating system that everybody's using now is Windows 7. Okay, so maybe some are still using Windows XP, but I doubt that you're using Windows XP. So mostly you're using Windows 7, 8, and then 10. Okay, so I will know right away if you just, copy this one and then paste this one as your own. Okay, so you should get your own screenshot and then label them one by one. So where is this number 1? Where is the title bar? Where is this title bar icon? Where is this ruler? Where is this insertion, etc., etc.? So there will be changes, okay, with those labels. So make sure to put the correct arrows, okay, with that specific label. Okay, then everything will be the same. Okay, so just copy everything. So this will enhance you in how to use or how to put equation, okay, using Microsoft. Okay. So are we clear so far regarding with your love number 4 and love number 3?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm pretty sure some of you, well, or most of you are already done with lab number 3. But yeah, to those who are not yet done, that's the thing that you guys need to do, just in case that you, yeah, you haven't finished this one yet. So that's it for lab number 3 and 4. And for so we wasn't able to meet last meeting. So yeah, that's only it for a week 1 lab number 3. And then the rest is now up to you for the module 2 quiz and then the case study. Okay. And the same with week number 2. Okay. So the module 3 quiz and then case study number 3 is now completely up to you. Okay. Well, if you have a question, so you can message me anytime. But yeah, that's it for now. To avoid pressure, I will just publish this one next meeting. It's coming Friday. So yeah, we have 10 modules under weekly. Module 4, 5, and then 6. Anyway, so next meeting na lang yan. And then again, just a reminder, your midterm exam will be on November 5, okay, at exactly 11:30 p.m. So we now only have one meeting left, okay? This coming October 29th, because this coming November 2, Tuesday, will be a holiday. So may I remind everyone that we don't have class on this coming November. Okay. So one meeting na lang and then your midterm exam. So that is why I will publish the week number 3 okay, on November 29th so that you guys have exactly 1 week to finish everything okay, before your midterm exam. Okay. So what else? I need to explain. But anyway, we'll just go over with this one next meeting. It's coming Friday. So that's it for now. So the next thing on why we're having a meeting is again, all of our meetings will be like consultations. So this is now your chance to ask a question if you have any question or concern. So anyone, maybe regarding with your laboratories, regarding with your quizzes, maybe, or with case studies, or with the pre-meet videos of each module. Anyone who has a question or clarification? So it seems that there is no question. Okay, so just give me a thumbs up, just to let me know that everything is okay, everything is fine. You're doing good with the subject. Some of you giving me thumbs up, so I hope that the others who are not responding is also doing good. So there is a message coming from Mr. Del Socorro. Sir, kahit resume lang po ba ipasa doon sa lab to? No. Okay, you have, I need the two. Okay, the resume and then the recommendation letter. Because if it's just the resume, well, you can submit that one, but it's already half of total points. Instead of getting 100 points, then you only get 50 points. Okay. Madali lang naman yung recommendation. So all you have to do is copy that one. Okay, just type that one on your computer on your Microsoft Word, and then just edit. That is you need to edit like your name. You just need to put your name, and then I think you need to change the date also. Okay, and then that's it. So I hope I was able to answer your question, Mr. Del Socorro. Any other concerns before we adjourn our meeting? Mr. Del Socorro, are you around?
Yes, sir. Sir, kahit 2 files po ba ipasa doon or 1 file lang?
I don't know. It should be one file in one file.
Oh,
Okay. Though I
sige po.
still consider, but I don't recommend. Pwede naman, pero dapat one file lang para mas madaling i-check. Okay, you can submit 2 files, but I don't recommend. Dapat isang file lang.
Sige po.
Oy,
Sige po.
oy, oy. Christian.
Alright, so if there is no other concerns anymore, then yeah, that's it. So goodbye, everyone. So as always, thank you guys for coming. I really, really appreciate it. And keep safe as always, and then happy lunch.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye.
Uh,
Thank you, sir.